Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can go and watch them. So in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about which intentional keywords should we use. Okay, so you can see there are four types of intentional keywords like informational keywords, navigational keywords, commercial keywords, and transactional keywords. So I have collected them from ACM Rush official documentation. So let's go to the ACM Rush official documentation and what they says about those keywords. Okay, so let's see. Okay, first option is informational keywords. So searches looking for an answer to a specific question or general information. Second option is navigational keywords. Searches intending to find a specific site or page. The next option is commercial keywords, searches looking to investigate brands or service. And the last one is transactional keyword, searches intending to complete an action or purchase. So let's get to know more about them. Okay. So you can see first one is informational. There are plenty of keywords with significant search volume that don't bring website conversion. Why? People are simply searching for information. We call these searches as informational keywords. Okay, so here we can see some examples of informational keywords like coffee calories, National Coffee Day, difference between cold brew and iced coffee. Okay, so second option is navigational keyword. Another type of keyword to be aware of is navigational. When someone types in a company or brand name into a search engine, they perform a navigational search. Navigational keyword examples like YouTube itself is a brand. Okay. ACM Rush blog. Where is Angelion's coffee located? Okay. So the next option is commercial. Okay. Commercial keywords are keywords that reveal a searcher's interest around specific products or services. These searches can occur when a person wants to know more about a particular product or service. They may want to support their idea of purchasing, compare the product to similar products, or look for free offers, test discounts. You can target these keywords with comparison articles, reviews, or how to articles depending on the specific keywords. So here are some examples of commercial keywords like free coffee, Dunkin' iced coffee flavors, iPad versus iPad Air, iPad mini reviews. Okay, because these keywords reveal a person's intention to buy or take some form of commercial activity in the future. This keyword can be valuable opportunities to reach an audience that could be converted into future customer. And the last option is transactional. The keywords with the strongest intent to buy or take imminent action are transactional keywords. These keywords can be targeted with paid ads and highly optimized purchase pages or pages where users can take immediate action on a site. Some examples of transactional keyword like buy crypto online, sandwich places near me that deliver, pick up, track for sale. So hopefully you have a clear understanding on keyword intentions. So I would strongly suggest you to use transactional and commercial keywords in your Google Ads campaign. Okay. So I will share this official ACM Rush documentation in the description box so that you can study further. Okay. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you like it. If you like our video, you can comment us, you can subscribe our channel, like our page. Okay. Keep watching the series. You have a good day. Bye bye.